kublai pibro teh kan ke por ngat pulai kan ke notice kabawan nang bahkan ke official Instagram account joko mikalia polis haba ya dai bat kini kicing itu ko exam pat kiwi kun patata ngat pula. It has been brought to the notice of the Central Recruitment Board, Meghalaya Police, that several university or board or college examinations may clash with the scheduled dates for physical efficiency tests. In light of this, all candidates who face issue with the exam schedule and the PET dates are advised to approach the physical efficiency test center in charge, where they have been allotted for a physical efficiency test, and submit an application as per Central Recruitment Board format along with the following documents. Number 1, a xerox copy of the physical efficiency test admit card. Number 2, xerox copy of the admit card for the relevant university or board or college examination. Number 3, a xerox copy of the examination schedule issued by the university, board or college. Upon receipt of the application, the Central Recruitment Board will give an alternate physical efficiency test date and center as per the convenience of Central Recruitment Board. Please note that candidates are permitted to change the physical efficiency test date only once, provided the request is based on valid reasons. Requests for multiple changes to the physical efficiency test due date will not be entertained. Last date for acceptance of the application for change of the physical efficiency test date and center will be 18 November 2024. For further information and clarification regarding admit cards, physical efficiency test date, etc., candidates are advised to contact the Central Recruitment Board office or helpline number, that is 6033164273 during office hours on working days.
Teh ngan pynkylla no shi kasih ki ong hang ne ba namar babun ki bai tyngkhuh kini ki exam kini ki exam per bai tyngkhuh bat kini example kum kini ki UG exam ki college exam ki board exam per lane kum kini ki kum ki DSC bat kum jur kani ka jing yamare example kum kani ka jing yamare home guard bat ka jing mare MLP ha ka juk ka por ha ka juk ka tarik ki hap ki tyngkhuh ta ka daw ki ong hang ne ba ban let mi shagine ki sentar bal ai ka bal ai pi bal ai kum ha ka tok admit card chong pi let me shagine sentar ban ra lang bat kini ki documents kum kene ka xerox copy yung kene ka physical efficiency test admit card kene ka batang shumi mitan nakta kene ka xerox copy of admit card for relevant university, board or college examination. Kene ka admit card chong kene ki examination ki bai tyngkhuh bat kene ka MLP ma nakta ka xerox copy chong kene ka examination schedule issued by the university, board or college. Kata tarai ka timetable na ka routine ma nang taki ong upon the receipt of application kane ka Central Recruitment Board kan ai ka tarik kan arrange ka tarik nang ta kene ki PET bat ka sentar kat kum ka chingla chong kane ka Central Recruitment Board ki ong rohang ne ban kan mau ba ki candidates la sha la ne la ai la ki ban change ban pynkylla tang chisin hi kataru hakine ki daw ki ba ki chung valid reasons ki ma nang ta request for kajing karpanam ta chibun tli more than one kamot Cibon teli kini kijing pynkylla kini ki PET ya ka tarik PET physical efficiency test kini kimsha kan mau kini klasit na bata kini kijing let me chala kijong sentar kadai hadu kat pratarik unehi banai ma nang ta ki ong for further information lane clarification regarding na kamta kini ki admit cards kini ki physical efficiency test date dan katarik bat kibai kini ki candidate ki laban kontak ki kini ki Central Recruitment Board office lane kene ka helpline number bali ai hang toma Andrew not lai bain Andrew sau ars nyo lai tang hakipor balong office hakipor balong terima kung ka nadu sing kong hadu sing thoding te tangom tahi kublai shibon